Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about an exchange that I've talked about before, and I'm a really big fan of, and that is going to be CoinEx. So today, my friends, we're going to keep this one brief and simple, so that way I can kind of keep the interest and also not kind of bore you with all the details of all the math in this one. But I will be showing you a little bit about the futures trading and just clicking through the website a little bit to show you a little more. Now, keep in mind, CoinEx will not ask for sensitive information, so beware of phishing and fraud. And of course, in that case, please do remember this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss different projects that I find and that interest me. So today, that one will be CoinEx. Now, we're going to start out actually over on their social media. Excuse me. So we can see 12,000 plus followers on Facebook. We have almost 9,000 here on Instagram and growing, and the Instagram's a good bit newer than the other socials. Now, you can see lots of people are actually talking about this project on Reddit, which is really cool because, you know, that means real people have to be posting about it. You know, it's not just the team posting. So I think that that's really interesting, and it shows with all the engagement that these posts are getting that people are actually interested in this. So you can see here, which is pretty cool. So there's CoinEx attends NFT Metaverse and GameFi 2022 in Philippines. So this is their medium talking about things going on with them, just anything in general with the project. And this project has been going on for quite a while. So there are mediums from a good bit ago, but you can see sort of the more modern ones. And here we are. At their verified Twitter account. So CoinEx Global is verified on Twitter. It is that legitimate of a company with about almost 200,000 following them on Twitter, and people really like this one. You can see you can get it on the App Store and Google Play as well. There's a help desk support here, Telegram, which actually we did not click through, so let's show you the Telegram real quick because that is large. See, they have a verified Telegram with 70,000 members and growing as well. So that is very cool. Now we're going to actually click through all of the different things at the top, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about how you actually might buy on the futures. So let's see. So we can see here, this is actually the general overview of the website, compatible with multiple devices, just telling you about sort of how it works, trades with safety and convenience, and gives you things for beginners if you need to learn a little bit more about crypto. They have a blog, as we mentioned, different services, CoinEx Ambassador, partner, market makers, and applying for token listings. And start trading right away if you'd like to. Now, I'm actually signed into my account. You can have your account. I'm not going to show you any info on my account, but you can see I am signed into my account. This is the type of exchange, of course, as any exchange is. You sign up for an account, and that actually makes it a whole lot easier. Excuse me. Now, we can see there are a couple of different things I won't be discussing today, but I just want to show you they have CoinEx Exchange, Charity, Smart Contract, OneSwap, via BTC Pool, via Wallet, and via BTC Capital. Now, this is the coin list. There are tons of different coins for you to choose from. Look at the entire list, hundreds of coins for you to actually go through and choose from, and featuring some of my absolute favorite coins, by the way. Now you'll see the payment partner. This is the fiat, so you can check this out. There are different things to buy into here, but that's not really what I'm touching on so much today. The swap, so you can swap one coin for another, which is really convenient actually to have as a service. Now, this is the exchange. This is the normal exchange. You can pull out here, check out the future of these coins, go through, click on any of these coins if you're interested in buying them, of course. So just like any random coin at any moment. And of course, this is our futures exchange. Now you can see here, I was playing around on the futures. You pull around, and actually I was going to try, I have $5 in my account, so I was going to try limit trading it. So all you have to do actually is buy. See that? So it's going to show you that, all the info that you would need, and then you just confirm your buy. You see, submitted successfully, and now I own $5 worth of BTC USDT. Excuse me, USDT. But yeah, it is really as simple as that, my friends. Just slide the bar to give it 100%. Don't let that one trick you. You can't just put in money and then allow that. You actually have to slide the bar, which is something I had to figure out myself. But yeah, this is the futures. Now, futures are really cool because, of course, you're betting on the future of any project, right? And that's really interesting because the futures, right, is something that's used in stocks. It's used in a lot of different company methods, and so you're actually, if you feel that you know the future of where a coin is going, whether it be positive or negative, you can absolutely bet on the futures of it, which is extremely amazing. And that's just the kind of thing that really excites me, honestly, is seeing that, you can do that, I guess, is the best way to say that, because that allows you to not just bet on the here and now. That allows you to use your knowledge, if you're a very skilled crypto trader, to be like, okay, well, this coin's taking a dip, so I'm going to bet on it taking a dip. You can, in fact, bet on it going down or up. So that's the really fascinating thing about futures margin trading. Now, again, this is the actual general exchange, so you can see select trading pairs and view the latest price. Set the price and amount to trade and get a grip of fast trading with market price. And here you can view all the transaction records. Got it. Now, basically, this website is set up real perfectly for you. It's the easiest exchange that I've used, to be honest with you. Like, easier than a lot of even the bigger ones, but I don't want to name names. But you can see here, if you go over, there's different assets, your account, withdraw, deposit, everything you might need there. All your different orders as well, if you'd made any orders. And this, my friends, is CoinEx, a project that really excites me. I'm keeping this one short but brief today, just because I want to keep the interest high on this. But they have an app. It's a really big project. I'm sure a lot of you heard of it. So, my friends, as always, thank you for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. Today we discuss CoinEx. I will see you in the next episode.